Welcome to the Cherokee Tribune Ledger Podcast. Today is Tuesday, December 6th, and happy 55th birthday to film producer and director Judd Apatow. I'm Dan Ratcliffe, and here are your top stories presented by Credit Union of Georgia. A German robotics company is locating in Canton. A faith-based TV show filmed in Cherokee County is in post-production. And the Cherokee School Board was honored for communications. We'll have all this and more coming up on the Cherokee Tribune Ledger Podcast.
You deserve better than your bank. Better service, better rates, better solutions. If you live or work in Cobb County, now is the perfect time to make the switch to Credit Union of Georgia, the better way to bank. Since 1960, Credit Union of Georgia has been providing Northwest Georgia with financial solutions that make sense for your home, business, and family. As a homegrown, not-for-profit cooperative, our members are our mission. Not only will you get the best loan rates, you'll get personalized customer service from people who understand your needs. Plus, Credit Union of Georgia provides real convenience with a network of more than 30,000 accessible ATMs and branch locations across the country. Of course, there's also 5 locations right here in Cobb County. Ready to see how much better your banking can be with Credit Union of Georgia? Become a member today or apply for a loan online by visiting cuofga.org. Credit Union of Georgia, the better way to bank.
Hey there, have you heard about my robot friend? He's metal and small and doesn't judge me at all. He's a cyberwire bundle of joy, my robot friend.
A German-based robotics company is building a new manufacturing facility in Canton and expected to create 137 new jobs in Cherokee County, Governor Brian Kemp announced. Becker Robotic Equipment, a global cable and robotic machinery manufacturer specializing in individualized robotic equipment, will invest over $30 million in the facility, which will house its North American headquarters. Headquartered in Dülmen, Germany, Becker was founded in 1993 with the aim of supplying accessories and integrated automated systems, mainly for the automotive industry. Becker's new North American headquarters and manufacturing facility will be located at the Bluffs at Technology Park in Canton. The facility is expected to consist of 3 adjacent buildings and will be designed with clean energy solutions such as solar panels, according to the governor's office. The company is looking to hire for sales and applications engineers, automotive project managers, non-automotive project managers, inside sales support staff, project engineers, office administrators, HR generalists, manufacturing technicians, and customer and service technicians. A 6-episode series was recently filmed in Cherokee County using the backdrop of local businesses, buildings, and areas to help tell its story. These Stones is a Christian faith-based series written and produced by Woodstock resident Cheryl McKay Price. The series tells the story of a wayward daughter who, after her mother is killed, takes over a supernatural program to help others, according to its synopsis on IMDb. Though she struggles to believe in God, she finds herself matching mysterious visitors from the past to those facing challenges today. The series was shot from September 19th to October 21st in various locations throughout Woodstock, including the downtown area, Rootstock, Circle of Friends, and a farmhouse in Canton. Scenes were also shot in Marietta. Price said she's hopeful for release by the end of next year. The show features a cast of actors, most of whom are from Georgia. Several of the crew members and production team are from Cherokee County as well. Circle of Friends, a Woodstock coffee shop which employs people with intellectual and developmental disabilities, was part of the set in an episode about a boy with Down syndrome and his mother. Price said she hopes there could be more seasons to the show, though the show's first season is structured to tell a complete story. The screenwriter and producer said she enjoyed the process and added that Cherokee Office of Economic Development's film office, led by Molly Mercer, was very easy to work with in helping her achieve her vision. The Cherokee County School Board has won state honors for its communications initiatives. For the 4th consecutive year, the Georgia School Boards Association has awarded the Cherokee School Board its Leading Edge Award. The past 3 years, the honor earned has been in the Culture, Climate, and Organizational Efficacy category, and this year's award is in the Communication category. The awards, presented in 7 categories, recognize innovative practices by school boards and school districts that make a significant and positive impact on students. School Board Chair Kyla Cromer accepted the award on the board's behalf at a Georgia School Boards Association ceremony Friday morning. CCSD's Strategic Communications Plan outlines how communications efforts will help achieve the goals of the district's overall Blueprint Strategic 5-year plan for continuous improvement. Key to this plan is reporting success stories which are shared daily across numerous district and school platforms, including websites, social media, newsletters, and publications, and also are shared with traditional local media outlets. The district's communications team annually trains staff from schools and district departments and divisions on best communications practices, including how to share their success stories. School board members also receive communications training and guidance throughout their time in office. The Cherokee boys basketball team kept its undefeated record intact with its 74-64 win at Sequoia on Friday night. With a nice lift from Lawrence Sanford, the Warriors pulled ahead in the second quarter and never looked back. Both teams were scoring well to start the night, with the Chiefs taking a 19-16 lead after the first period. Cherokee made adjustments going into the second quarter, though, and built a 28-21 lead in just over 3 minutes. Sanford was a big part of Cherokee's run, scoring its first 8 points of the second quarter. He connected on 3 3-pointers in the frame and finished the night with a game-high 22 points. Offense has been the Warriors' strength throughout the first 5 games, as expected, though its defense took major strides. It was tested against Sequoia's high-powered offense and passed with flying colors.
Engineered Solutions is your locally owned and operated commercial and residential foundation company that specializes in foundation repair, basement waterproofing, and crawl space encapsulation.
I'm consumer investigator Dale Cardwell. I've done the research already, so you don't have to.
Dial 678-ESOG now.
Are you struggling to find the right home in these tough markets? Hi, I'm Jeffrey Drake of Drake Realty, with 7 offices across Metro Atlanta and 2 right here in Cobb County. The real estate market in Cobb County can be competitive. That's why you need a team on your side. My team of over 700 agents is one of the biggest in the county, and we have been turning dreams into realities for 28 years now. Next time you decide to buy or sell in Cobb, trust the team that knows the lay of the land. Visit us online at drakerealty.com.
So, who'd you vote for, Hank?
Nuh-uh. If he tells you, it won't come true.
About 1 in 6 Cherokee County voters has cast a ballot ahead of the December 6th runoff contest between Democratic Senator Raphael Warnock and his Republican challenger Herschel Walker. As of Friday morning, 33,000 Cherokee County voters had cast a ballot, according to the state website, about 17% of the county's registered voters. The state reported 28,110 of those votes were cast in person. Turnout for Georgians returning to the polls this week to vote in the December 6 runoff election surpassed 1 million ballots cast ahead of Election Day. Cherokee County was showing 4,895 absentee ballots had been accepted by the close of polls Thursday, and there were another 2,711 ballots still outstanding. The state numbers showed that Cherokee's in-person early voting increased as the week went on. The county began early voting at one location Sunday and saw 1,100 ballots cast in person that day. When voters returned to the polls Monday, 5,319 voted early in Cherokee, and Thursday that number was 7,651. Cherokee's Tony Warren erupted for a game-high 32 points in the 72-49 win over Sequoia at the War Lodge on Friday night. Warren tallied 10 points in the third quarter alone, helping the Lady Warriors secure their second victory in a row. It was back and forth in the first quarter, with Cherokee holding a slim 16-14 lead at the break. Warren made her presence felt early, hitting a three-pointer and then earning 3 free throws on the next possession. She hit 4 of 5 free throws in the period. Warren opened the second quarter with a tough mid-range fadeaway and nailed another 2 possessions later to push the Lady Warriors' lead to 23-19. Behind Warren's 32 points, Hannah Harris was the lone other Cherokee player in double figures with 11 points. Riley Simmons pitched in 8 points, including 2 3-pointers in the second quarter. The Lady Warriors connected on 11 3-pointers in Friday's win. For Sequoia, Ellie Batchford led the way with 16 points as she continued to ramp up after returning from injury. She had 9 points in the fourth quarter. Gray and Abdus Salam each tallied 9 points, followed by Shelby Belanger with 6 points.
Unknown error. Every time I think my business is on track, I get these computer issues that shut me down for a day.
Ever since my business partnered with Click IT of Marietta, I don't even worry about those types of things. They're local, they have 20 years experience, and specialize in helping small businesses just like mine and yours.
Do they handle hardware and software?
Hardware, software, malware, you name it. Just tell them when and where, and they will be there. Visit them online at marietta.clickitcomputers.com or give them a call at 678-202-4600. Instead of submitting a support ticket, call Marietta Click It. Thanks again for listening to today's Cherokee Tribune Ledger Podcast. Did you know 50% of Americans listen to podcasts weekly? Make sure you join us for our next episode and share this podcast on social media with your friends and family. Add us to your Alexa Flash Briefing or Google Home Briefing, and be sure to like, follow, and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. This podcast is a production of BG Ad Group. Darren Sutherland, Executive Director. Jacob Sutherland, Director. Matt Golden, News Director. Chin Ray Zhang, Director Producer. And Jason Gentarola, Audio Producer. All rights reserved.